Hello everyone, this is Venkat Kotta, IIT NEET Senior Faculty in Physics. Students, today we are going to discuss work done by friction. We know the types of friction: static friction, kinetic friction, rolling friction. What is the work done by static friction on a block? Work done by static friction on a block may be positive or negative or zero. But here work done by a static friction on a system is always zero. Work done by kinetic friction on a block may be positive or negative. But work done by kinetic friction on a system is always negative. Here, these are the four statements. First statement, work done by static friction on a block may be positive or negative or zero. Then, work done by static friction on a system is always equal to zero. Then, work done by kinetic friction on a block may be positive or may be negative. Work done by kinetic friction on a system is always negative. So take two examples here. One is a block of mass 2 kg is kept on rough horizontal floor of coefficient of friction 0.4 and G value 10 meter per second square. It is pulled by a force F. Force 6 Newton. Work done by friction on a block in 2 seconds. Sir, here how to solve, sir? Simple better. Listen. Here what amount of force is applied? 6 Newton. If it is applied as 6 Newton, is it slide or not? We have to check it. That's why here applied force 6 Newton, sir. Clear, sir? Applied force is 6 Newton. Okay, is it slide or not? Compulsory we need limiting friction. Compare the limiting friction and applied force. Then we will decide is it slide or not. Okay, sir. Limiting friction FL equal to mu S mg. Sir, mu S is 0.4. M is 2. G is 10. FL is equal to 0.4 into 2, 0.8 into 10, 8 Newton. Sir, applied is 6 Newton, limiting is 8 Newton. Is it slide or not? It doesn't slide. So, it can't slide. It can't slide. It can't slide. So, here, acceleration 0. Acceleration 0, sir. Displacement also 0. Displacement 0, work done 0. Okay, sir. Work done by friction, Fs cos theta. That is, F is how much here? 6 Newton. Because it can't slide now. It can't slide means net force 0. Net force 0, opposite forces balanced. This side 6 Newton. It can't slide. Means opposite also 6 Newton. F is 6. S is 0. Theta is not given. That's why 0 into something 0. Work done by friction on a block in 2 seconds is 0. In 10 seconds also 0. In 20 seconds also 0 because it is at rest. Okay. This is the work done by friction on a block in 2 seconds. This friction is which friction? Static friction or sliding friction? Static, sir. So that's why here first statement, work done by static friction on a block may be positive or may be negative, may be 0. Here may be 0. This 0 is there. Okay, clear, sir. Then, so here 2 kg block, same 2 kg block, same floor, but applied force is different. How much? 6 Newton. Here, that case is 6. Here, 10 Newton. 10 Newton. Sir, here, please Listen, sir, applied is 10 Newton, sir. Applied 10. Limiting beta. Limiting is 8 Newton, sir. Limiting 8. Applied 10. Limiting 8 Newton. So that's why. Is it slide or at rest? So, sir, applied is greater than limiting. We apply a 8 Newton, it ready to slide. If it is greater than 8 Newton, it can slide. So, it can slide. It can slide. Right, sir? It can slide, that's why your friction is how much? 8 Newton, sir. 8 Newton is this side. 10 Newton that side. Net force is, sir, net force is 10 minus 2. Acceleration, net force by mass, sir. Net force 10 minus 8 by mass 2. 2 by 2, 1 meter per second square. The block displaces this side with acceleration 1 meter per second square. In 2 seconds, beta, what is the displacement? In 2 seconds displacement, S is equal to half AT square. S equal to UT plus half AT square, sir. Right, sir? S equal to UT plus half AT square. Okay. S equal to UT plus half AT square. U is better. U starts from west, 0. 0 into 2 plus half into, so A is 1. 1 into 2 square. S is equal to 0. This is a 0. Half into 1 into 2 square 4. That's why half into 1 into 2 4. That is S equal to 2 meter. Sir, displacement 2 meters, sir. Friction is 8 Newton. Friction this side. Displacement that side. What is the angle between friction and displacement? Opposite. Opposite means 180 degrees. Work done by friction. W is equal to. This friction is a which friction? Static or kinetic? Kinetic friction. Because it is sliding in kinetic friction. That's why Fs cos 180. Why, sir? Cos 180. Displacement that side. Friction opposite side. That's why cos 180. Work done by friction. So cos 180 minus 1 minus Fs. Minus F is what? 8, sir. S is 2. That's why work done is equal to minus 16 joule. Work done is equal to minus 16 joule. Work done by friction in 2 seconds on a block in 2 seconds is minus 16 joule. This friction is which friction? Kinetic friction or static friction? Kinetic friction. Work done by kinetic friction on a block may be positive or may be negative. This step, no? Okay. Then we will discuss next block on block.